Expanding double brackets is a grade C level 7 question. Very standard sort of question for exam papers and tests. Now, with a double bracket, you've got to have a working method. The key thing here is that there are 4 parts to this question when you multiply it out, and you've got to try and remember how to do those 4 parts. So one way of doing that is to look at it as a sort of smiley face. So you've got the smiley bit there, and then the eyebrows here. Some people call that the FOIL method, the first, outer, inner, last. But essentially it shows you there's 4 things to multiply. So if I start with the x times the x, which is x squared, then x times the minus 1, which is minus x, the 3 times the x is 3x, and the 3 times the minus 1 is the minus 3. So you see there's 4 parts to it. When you've got 2 bits in each bracket, you'll have 4 parts in total at the end. And the only thing you've got to do now is to simplify this middle bit to get x squared minus x plus 3x is plus 2x, and you've got minus 3. Another way of doing it, which I would recommend if you're not very confident on this, is to draw a grid where you put the x and the plus 3, the x and the minus 1, so you can clearly see there's 4 parts. X times x is x squared, plus 3 times x is plus 3x, x times minus 1 is minus x, or minus 1x, plus 3 times minus 1 is minus 3. So you get the same parts, but they're in a box, and you just add them together to get the same answer, x squared plus 2x minus 3, for 2 marks.